Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given this figure, which is showing the relationship between the percent of leaf litter mass remaining after decomposing for 3 years and the mean annual temperature in degrees Celsius in 18 forests in Canada. Right, so that's going to be these 18 dots, and then we're also given a line of best fit. So we're told a particular forest in Canada, whose data is not included in the figure, had a mean annual temperature of -2 degrees Celsius. So that would put them about here on the x-axis, since that's where we're measuring temperature, right around there for -2. And we're asked, based on the line of best fit, which of the following is closest to the predicted percent of leaf litter mass? So we're asked, for this x value, temperature, what is the expected y value, based on the line of best fit? So we find where the line of best fit hits an x value of -2. You just draw a vertical line straight up, and you hit it right about here. Now you want to find the y value of that, so you just go straight across until you hit the y-axis. And now we see this point has a x value of -2, which means the temperature is -2 degrees Celsius, and a y value of 70, which means the percent of leaf litter mass is 70% after 3 years, which is what the question is asking us to find, which means 70% is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.